बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अजीज़ तलबा अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं आबिद हसन मुल्तानी आपको आपके अपने चैनल MB मुल्तानी शॉर्ट हैंड टीचिंग में खुशामदीद कहता हूँ। मैं इस वीडियो में आपको किंग ऑफ शॉर्ट हैंड जनाब मोहम्मद बख्श मुल्तानी साहब मरहूम के तरतीब शुदा MB मुल्तानी ऑफिशियल पैसेज नंबर 12 की डिक्टेशन दूंगा, जिसकी स्पीड 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट होगी। तलबा अपनी ज़रूरत के मुताबिक कंप्यूटर या मोबाइल के ज़रिए स्पीड कम या ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं, लेकिन डिक्टेशन शुरू करने से पहले मेरी आपसे गुजारिश है कि इल्म का फैलाना एक सदका जारिया होता है। इसलिए हमारी हौसला अफजाई की खातिर अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो बराए करम सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए और साथ ही बेल आइकन को भी ज़रूर दबा दीजिए ताकि अगली वीडियो आप तक बगैर किसी रुकावट के पहुंच सके। और लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट भी ज़रूर कीजिए ताकि हमारी तरफ से फैलाई गई इल्म की रोशनी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा तलबा तक पहुंच सके। आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। नाउ प्लीज़ गेट रेडी फॉर डिक्टेशन। Dear sir, after careful consideration and in supersession of all previous orders and instructions on the subject, the government of West Pakistan have decided that the principle for promotion from one post to another should be by selection on merit with due regard to seniority, and that this principle should be applied uniformly all along the line from the lowest to the highest posts and from one class of service to another. New para. For this purpose, merit does not mean good service record only, but also includes experience, qualifications, suitability for the post or service to which promotion is being made. Full stop. The value of all these different factors has to be assessed in rating the officer's fitness for promotion. Full stop. The words with due regard to seniority imply that while emphasis is to be placed on good service record, qualifications and aptitude for the higher post, the officer's relative seniority in the cadre from which promotion is being made should be given due weight. The greater the disparity in seniority, the greater should be the junior officer's superiority in point of merit. Full stop. New para. It is not the intention that every officer in the cadre from which promotion is being made should be considered for promotion. An officer should put in a certain minimum years of service in the cadre in which he is before he is considered for promotion to a higher post or service. Full stop. What this period of service should be will depend upon the conditions of the cadre in which he is and the status of the post or service to which he would be promoted. Full stop. This period should be specified in service rules. Full stop. New para. The application of the above principle would therefore involve the following steps. Number 1. Officers who have not put in the minimum period of service in the cadre in which they are should be excluded from consideration. Number 2. From among the rest, those who are unsuitable for promotion should be left out. Number 3. The remaining should then be considered on the basis of what is stated in paras 1 and 2 above and the most suitable among them selected. Full stop. New para. I am to request that the principle of making promotions set out in para 1 empty should be adopted in the service rules in respect of the services with which your department oblique office is concerned. Full stop. New para. Protection may, however, be given to the government servants who entered service before 14th October 1955 and in whose case promotion under the existing rules is regulated by seniority or seniority cum fitness. Full stop. Yours truly.